Love it.
In Iran, dancing in public is strictly forbidden, especially men and women dancing together. But during special occasions like Eid Mubarak, it's perfectly okay for men and men to dance together. In fact, here it's a huge part of the culture. Driving into Tabriz, Iran's fourth largest city, I had no idea what was in store for me. The landscapes were totally different from the green I saw earlier in my trip. Once in town, our first order of business was a hike up the Ainali mountain trail to get a panoramic view of the city below. From up here, you can really see just how sprawling Tabriz is. Then we hopped back in the car, made a quick stop to see the tomb of a famous poet, and headed over to visit beautiful Goli Park. At sunset, this is the place for locals to see and be seen. The flowers are beautiful, and I wasn't the only one enjoying them.
Hi. Hi. This is a big deal. You don't see dogs in Iran too often.
He's actually risking the dog by having him out here?
No, from time to time there is this program that the cops try to, they confiscate. Huh? And usually they don't.
I thought you said that they don't like dogs and that they will be gone.
No, they are not that much welcome.
What?
They don't just do it every day.
But he's taking a risk.
No.
He's not taking a risk having the dog.
But while we're here, we saw a lot of dogs.
No, we saw like 3 or 4.
Well, that's a lot.
Because they're taking a risk?
No, it's not that much of a risk here.
Not that much of a risk, but it's a risk.
Well, there's always a possibility, but yeah.
We're asking him if he's worried about the dog being confiscated. You're not worried? No problem? No problem. No problem. Okay, good. You're too cute to get confiscated. What happened to your nose?
Surgery.
Surgery.
Yeah.
Men and women.
Yeah.
So many noses. Everywhere you look. Did it hurt?
No.
When did you get your nose done?
4 months.
4 months ago?
Yeah.
And he still has a bandage on his nose?
Yeah.
When does he plan to get his nose bandage off?
6 ماه بشه. 2 more months and he can get rid of them.
Good luck. Mashallah. Bye.
One more thing. On my channel, I show the good people of countries the media tells us are bad. And with your support, I will continue to places like Syria and hopefully Palestine. So please subscribe to help me spread positivity. We then took a peaceful walk on the former Royal Promenade before things got crazy.
Thank you very much!
Leaving the crazy dancers behind, we then set off for a fancy dinner with my guide Sohail's cousin.
Mamma mia! Very good, my friend. This is an unusual meal. Yes. Hi. Fish in Tabriz. All sorts of salmon. This rice here has got dill in it. We've got mint, we've got dill, we've got lemon. Everything I love. I can't wait to try this fish. It's sweet. And it's delicious. Love it. You're in for a treat.
Yeah.
It's so good.
I know.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Great to meet you, man. Yes, thank you again. Good luck. Mashallah. And so ends my way too short stay in Tabriz. Next time, I definitely will return to explore the city more. But for now, it was merely a jump-off point for my epic adventure in nearby Kandovan, a village of homes carved right out of the volcanic rock. Here's a sneak preview of next week's video. I promise a much longer video from there. So this is a UNESCO World Heritage ancient town that's been turned into a tourist attraction, but you can tell people still live here because there's donkey shit on the ground. We found a local resident here. Do you live up here?
Ade.
Salam.
Salam.
Oh, hi. Salam. You see that steaming up my lens? That's the heat from inside of this cave. And somehow this man deals with it. Oh, and he's putting on a jacket! You, my friend, are crazy. Just taking a leisurely stroll through Kandovan village with a few of my new friends. What is your name?
Kamal Purali.
Shamal.
Kamal.
Philip.
Philip Purali.
Philip from America.
Okay.
Okay. Watch where you're walking. There's a bunch of shit on the ground.
Now you've seen parts of Kandovan and Tabriz, but have you heard of the Lut Desert? Please subscribe to see this and other incredible places like Shiraz, Persepolis, Isfahan, and Ardabil, not to mention the glorious Persian food. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
What? What?